Welcome. If you've ever wanted to send a video along with a text message in an Instagram chat using your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest Instagram update, sharing videos with a personal comment has never been easier. No need for extra software or complicated steps. Let's walk through the process together so you can start connecting in a richer way on desktop. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. You can do this by visiting the Instagram website in your browser and logging in with your usual credentials. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen where you'll see a menu. Find and click on the messages icon. It looks like a speech bubble or a paper airplane. This will open up your direct messages, where all your conversations are neatly organized. Now, scroll through your chats, or use the search bar to find the conversation where you want to send your video. Click on the chat to open it. At the bottom of the message window, right next to where you type your messages, you'll see a photo icon. Click on this icon to bring up your file explorer. Browse your computer for the video you want to share. Once you've found it, select the file and click Open. Instagram will attach the video to your message, and you'll see a preview right in the chat window. Before you send, you can add a personal touch by typing your comment or message in the text box. This is a great way to give context, ask a question, or just say hello along with your video. When you're ready, simply click Send. Your video and your text will be delivered together in the chat, making your message more engaging and expressive. That's all it takes. With just a few clicks, you can now send videos and text together in Instagram chats on your PC, thanks to the new update. Give it a try and make your conversations stand out. Thanks for watching, and happy messaging.